Hey, stick with me. Come here. Come on. The main lobby, they're doing some refurbishment in here, and you guys are gonna love what they're doing. It is amazing. The fountain that's here, they're going to turn around and they're going to reface this fountain, and it's going to be gorgeous. You're going to absolutely love it. But the one thing you're going to love the most, check-in will now be over there, and it's not going to be these long lines. It's going to be more personable. It's going to be what you guys have been asking for years. But guess what else is happening? Right over here, martinis used to be hidden over here in the corner. No longer. This is going to be the lobby bar right here. Look at this amazing bar. This is unbelievable. It's going to be a huge stand-up, walk-up bar. They're going to have a mixology cart that greets you when you get here. Cocktails are here. This is going to be a big lounge area with sofas and love seats and tables where you're going to just get to hang out. All this area is going to be so beautiful and so cool. So I can't wait till you come back to the Dorado Royale, Casitas Royale, and you get to see all these amazing changes. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you already know that Dorado Royale and Dorado Casitas Royale are two of our favorite adults-only resorts in Riviera Maya. We've stayed there many times over the years, hosted countless group trips, and recommended these resorts to thousands of travelers. Now the resort is investing in a series of exciting enhancements designed to make the guest experience even better. So in this video, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you what's changing and what you can expect during your next visit. This is one of the most amazing restaurants, and it has been for years, but you know what? We heard you. They're listening. They're making changes. You see this stuff here? It's out of here. Come on, guys, let's get it out of here. New furniture coming. It's coming. Adding new furniture here is not just about making it look newer. It's about making the space feel fresher, more comfortable, and more inviting for guests throughout the day and the evening. Another important update is happening at Tucanis Pool. This is a pool area many guests already know and love, so seeing it being refreshed is exciting because pools are such a big part of the Dorado experience. And we are at the Tucanis Pool. Guess what's going on here, guys? Come on, let me check this out. This pool is being completely redone. They're removing all the tile. They're going to put a pebble finish on it. It's going to be amazing. Hey, they heard you, they listened, they're making changes, and this is gonna be incredible. Hey, if y'all wanna come help, come on. La Isla is another space getting a refresh with new furniture. And this is one of those updates that may sound simple, but it makes a big difference when you're actually staying at the resort. If y'all dined here at La Isla, y'all seen this before, but guess what? New furniture's coming. We're getting rid of this stuff right now. So come on, guys, let's get this started. Come on, let's go.
Stop. We need that table for another day.
One more day?
Yes, please.
Okay, tables are going too. Everything's going. All new furniture's coming. You guys, stay tuned. You'll see what else is coming after. New fad these days is mocktails. I know, what the heck is a mocktail? That is a cocktail that with no alcohol. But they have a whole new menu for the people that want mocktails. And here is Alberto, and he's gonna make one for us now. What are we making, Alberto?
This is Caribbean Paradise, my friend.
Caribbean Paradise. So whenever you come to the Dorado Royale, come to the bar, tell them you want a Caribbean Paradise. Not everyone wants alcohol all the time. And more travelers today are looking for healthier options, lighter drinks, or just something fun and refreshing without alcohol. So this is a great addition for guests who want the cocktail experience, but without the alcohol. And that, my friend, is Caribbean Paradise by Alberto at Jojo's Bar here at the Dorado Royale. Are you sure there's no alcohol? This is too good to not have alcohol.
Yeah.
Man. Another fun addition is the Saturday fish market at Dorado Royale. All right, guys, every Saturday they do a fish market here at the Dorado Royale, and this is something that's pretty cool. Follow me, come check this out. They've got Epsilon tequila, where you can get you a tequila drink with your favorite tahine. For a little bit of extra charge, you can try something for lunch like lobster and tomahawk steaks. You're gonna wanna do this, I promise you, because that tomahawk is unbelievable. Over here, they got the coconut bar where they do the rum drinks with the coconuts, which is really cool. Over here, they've got the fish. Grilled fish, this is all included. But check out the fish over here. Octopus on the grill. Camarones. Hey, we got shrimp on the barbie here for you Aussie people. It's these types of experiences that make a resort stay feel more special and give guests something to do and look forward to. I'm here at the Dorado Casitas Royale in a casita, one of my favorite rooms at this property. And I want to tell you what, the ambiance in here is amazing. Authentic Mexican. The lights give off this beautiful glow. But when it comes time to read a book or something like that, I would love the opportunity to have more light. Guess what? You asked for it too, and they did it. Check this out. You asked for it, we got it. More lighting, up lighting. LED lighting around the room. This lighting is being installed in all the casitas. This is coming, guys. The casitas are beautiful, romantic, and very private. But better lighting is something that we've wanted to see for a long time. Especially when you're getting ready for dinner, doing makeup, getting dressed, or just wanting the room to feel brighter, lighting really matters. What we love about these enhancements is that Dorado is not changing what people already love about the resort. The beautiful grounds, the adult-only atmosphere, the food, the service, the romantic feel are still there. But these updates help make the overall experience feel fresher, more comfortable, and even more complete. So if Dorado Royale or Dorado Casitas Royale is already on your list, these new enhancements are one more reason to consider it all for your next vacation. And if you're not sure which section is better for you, the Royale, Casitas, or another Dorado property, reach out to us at Getaway Travel. We know these resorts very well, and we can help you choose the best option for your vacation experience.